I want to run through a little update on the new quick command in IGEMS. So I'm currently on version 2366, and if you haven't seen it in this About dialog box now, you do have the History of Changes button, and if you click on this, it brings up searchable database, so you can search by these various categories here. I can search by modules, you can type in words, so it's quite a useful way to see what's new or changed in the version or what's coming up. So one of the things that they did add recently on the CAM tab was this quick button here. So this might be, I think, particularly useful for people doing water only cutting where they don't do a lot of changes maybe to lead types, things like that. So rather than having to click on create part, contour, order, process, now you can just click on this quick button and it'll make your part. So I already had a machine selected, so it just used that machine and whatever material that I had selected. If I do a new drawing and I don't currently have a machine selected, it will prompt you for the machine and the material, and then after that it'll do the rest of it automatically. So now when I click on quick, it prompts me for my machine material, so I could change that. Click on OK, and you've got your part. It brings you right to here where you can create your CNC file. If you need to change anything, of course, you can always just X out and change things. Another thing you can do is you can drag and drop and have that quick command applied. So to do that, got some DXF files over here on the right. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, hold down your right mouse button, and then drag the DXF or DWG file over here and release, and then just left click where you want it, and again processes it. And then there is also an option with that quick command, and this is a new thing that they've added here, where if you right click on an icon, if there's additional options available, you can click on this options. So if you know you're going to be dragging in multiple files into the same workspace and you don't want it to create the cut order, you can set this to false and then set the cut order yourself once you've brought your files in or done your nesting or whatever. So if I set that to false now, we'll just get rid of that. Again, hold down my Shift key. We'll do a different file here. Hold down my Shift key, right click and drag and release. Click, so that in that case makes the file but doesn't add the cut order. And then I can set my 0 point and process. So hope that saves you some time and clicks. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.